This hustle and bustle of school traffic for that time of the morning, and we're following the River Tweed. It's wet, but it's beautiful. Morning! The Tweed Valley is absolutely beautiful. We were just saying how we felt the rain actually enhanced it, really bringing the greens to life. I just hope that the camera isn't nothing but a fug. I don't know if that's made it better or worse. No doubt we'll find out. The main road through the valley is down on our left. We've been taken up the slopes of the hill amongst the woodland, which is so much prettier. But you can probably hear the traffic in the distance there. We've got a very good view of the traffic at the moment. We've just spotted the old train station down in the valley. They've actually reinstated one further east of here. About 9 miles into our ride so far from Innerleithen, so I'd have to see if I can find out what the name of the little place is. It's not that long ago that they reinstated a railway station at Tweed Bank, further along the line from here. And it's already very popular with cyclists exploring the area or coming to the area. So we could have taken the roadway, or we could have taken the trackway. This looked far more inviting, so we're taking the trackway. Hi. Now this is fun. Luckily now we've got a little bit of downhill. Definitely harder work going up it. Certainly with loaded bikes.
Car coming.
We're at Melrose and we've just come into the Harmony Garden, and it's actually free entry. There's a donation box at the gate. And a lovely peaceful place to be. And into the walled garden where the vegetables are grown. There's herbs as well. It's like a peter doing well over there. All of a sudden, we get nice little bit traffic free, which is recovery for having to cross a manically busy road. We're near Dryburgh Abbey, and this was the first ever suspension bridge built in Scotland, if I've got my facts correct. I think that's one of the Three Sisters at Melrose that we've just come away from. It's wonderful folly up here, which seems rather bizarre really because we're so close to the Abbey grounds. Behind the walls on the right hand side, it's Forth Castle grounds. Yeah, one of the gatehouses coming up. Well, we just had a rest break in Kelso, and I have to give a shout out for the quality of the food and lovely staff at Cafe U, and it is just Cafe letter U. We had a brilliant veggie chilli in there and coffee with 2 shots of espresso. That should keep us going for a bit. And then they wrapped up some cake to go. So We should be okay for the next 20 miles until we get to Norham. Hello. Well, it's 23 minutes past 4 and it's actually stopped raining and the clouds have lifted. We're not even sure if any of the video we've taken during the day is going to be of any use, because any use, because it's been raining so much and no amount of wiping the lens seemed to make any difference. We'll see. Well, that's beginning to feel a bit closer to home. I do believe that's Cheviot's ahead of us. I'll be 40.67 miles into today's journey. Having a place called Eccles here just seems wrong. Just doesn't sound like the kind of name we would expect to find in this area. The best things about being out in Glasgow and travelling, so as September gets closer to October, is past so much farmland where they're actually recently or are in the middle of ploughing the fields, and you get that amazing scent coming off the soil. Just nothing else like it. Here we go. Goodbye, Scotland. It was fabulous. Hello, Northumberland. Well, we've just entered Norham. So we're going to be staying tonight.